How to get factor meals, coupon codes, and discounts. If you'd also like to get factor meals, coupon codes, and discounts, you can follow up these steps. One of the easiest way is being a new customer. So if you're new to the application, you can basically head over the browser or the app and go over the login page for the website. Look out for the three dots and lines in the top and tap on the login option. And you should be taken to the login interface. So you can basically go ahead and create up your account if you have not. For that, look out for this option called sign up here. Scroll down, look out for sign up here option. And from there, basically go ahead and follow the process for registration and go ahead and create your Factor account. Once you do so, Factor frequently will offer introductory discounts for new customers. These can include a significant discount on the first box, like $130 off or 50% off, plus additional discounts of subsequent boxes. You can look out for that option. Apart from that, you can head over to Factor's website, which is factor75.com. This one right here. And you can even check their social media pages where you will be finding specific promotional codes. So we have this option of get offer. When you tap on it, you will be finding different offers available. You can basically look out for coupon codes and discounts for this website or their um, social media pages. For example, the code ZO1307 free may be used to get 130% off on the first order and first shipping. Apart from that, you can subscribe to their newsletter as well. That is also one of the most quick way you can head over and get their coupon codes and discounts. Or there are different websites available that may be giving you discounts. Look out for those, and that's it. So you can follow this process in order to get factor meals, coupon codes, and discounts available within the app. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.